In grade 5, you have been introduced to the digestive system as an organ system that converts the nutrients in food into simpler forms. The body uses these nutrients for energy and growth. Thus, the growth and functioning of individuals are carried out. In the following chapter, we will expand our knowledge and examine the structure, functions, and significant disorders of the human digestive system. Knowledge 4.1 Importance of digestion. In the previous chapter, we learned about the functions of carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and other nutrients. These nutrients must be absorbed into the bloodstream to perform their functions properly. This task is performed through the process of digestion. During this process, the above-mentioned nutrients are broken down into smaller molecules. The smaller molecules can easily be absorbed into the bloodstream. With blood, they reach their destination organs, are modified, and perform their functions. Without the process of digestion, the body is unable to provide raw materials to produce energy, grow and function properly. Kinds of digestion. There are two kinds of digestion of food, mechanical and chemical digestion. Mechanical digestion is the physical breakdown of large pieces of food into smaller pieces. This stage begins with the chewing of food by the teeth. It is further aided by the contraction of the stomach and intestines through a process called peristalsis. Is visual representation of peristalsis. Mechanically broken down food is further digested chemically. Chemical digestion is the chemical breakdown of chewed pieces of food. During this stage, the large and complex molecules of food are broken down into small and simple molecules. These simple molecules are easy to absorb into blood vessels. Chemical digestion involves enzymes such as salivary amylase, hydrochloric acid, pancreatic juices, and many others. Figure 4.1 Kinds of digestion. Knowledge 4.2 Structure and functions of alimentary canal. Food in the mouth passes through a long tube called the alimentary canal. An alimentary canal is a group of interconnected hollow organs such as the mouth, throat, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. Some other organs such as the liver, gall bladder, and pancreas are associated with it. The components of the digestive system are as follows. Mouth. The mouth is the starting point of the digestive tract. In the mouth, the physical digestion takes place. Papillae of the tongue grip the food. Saliva lubricates it and teeth chew and grind the food. 2. Pharynx. The pharynx is a passage that directs the bolus downward to its next destination, i.e. esophagus, with the help of epiglottis. In Figure 4.3, an epiglottis is shown. It is a flap-like structure in the throat above the windpipe. Epiglottis closes the windpipe and directs the bolus to the esophagus, thus preventing the risk of choking. 3. Esophagus. Esophagus is a long tube-like structure. It receives the food from the throat and pushes it to the stomach. Peristaltic movements aid the transfer of bolus by the successive contraction and relaxation in different regions of the esophagus.